Waking up to a watery, sour cup of coffee from a plastic pod is the fastest way to ruin a perfectly good morning. We all crave that rich, cafe-quality espresso with a thick layer of crema, but nobody wants to spend 30 minutes grinding, tamping, and cleaning before rushing out the door. You can actually get barista-level results right in your kitchen without needing a culinary degree. After evaluating extraction pressure, milk frothing capabilities, and daily maintenance needs, I have narrowed down the top machines that do the heavy lifting for you. Wait until you get to the one that surprised me most, because it completely changes how you handle fresh beans. We are focusing purely on machines that balance authentic flavor with absolute daily convenience. Let us Stepping into one of the strongest contenders on the market, the Philips 1200 fully automatic espresso machine takes the guesswork out of your mornings. It solves the everyday frustration of messy coffee grounds spilling over your counters. The standout benefit is its intuitive touch display combined with a durable ceramic grinder, ensuring freshly ground beans for every cup without the manual labor. Picture yourself pressing a single button and watching a flawless espresso pour out while you get ready for work. This is perfect for busy professionals who want fresh coffee fast, though it is not ideal for aspiring latte artists, as the classic steam wand has a slight learning curve. Compared to a standard drip pot, the flavor upgrade is massive. The only real limitation is that the water tank needs frequent refilling if you serve a whole household. For a consistently rich and streamlined morning brew, this machine is an exceptionally smart starting. Now we look at the ultimate standout that completely blew me away. The Ninja Luxe Cafe redefines what a versatile home coffee station can be. It eliminates the anxiety of getting your espresso shot dialed incorrectly. The greatest benefit is its integrated tamp assist and smart weight sensing, which adjusts the grind and dose based on your beans. Imagine wanting a thick cappuccino one day and a smooth double espresso the next, and the machine just adapts without you twisting confusing dials. This fits perfectly for the home entertainer or iced coffee lover. However, it might feel overwhelming for someone who just wants a basic black coffee. It delivers far better texture than any typical pod machine. The only limitation is its size, as it requires a solid amount of counter space. If you want true barista precision with zero stress, this powerhouse is the clear winner. And if that sounds like a bit too much machine for you, the Philips fully automatic espresso machine with its integrated milk frother is designed for people who love milk-based drinks but hate the cleanup. It tackles the annoying problem of scrubbing crusty milk wands on traditional setups. Its strongest feature is the tubeless frothing system, which mixes air and milk at high speed to pour a velvety layer of foam straight into your cup. Think about serving fresh macchiatos for friends after dinner, then simply rinsing the two-piece milk chamber under the tap in 10 seconds. This is a dream for daily cappuccino drinkers. However, it is not built for the espresso purist who wants to manually texturize microfoam for intricate art. Compared to standard wand machines, the hygiene and speed here are unmatched. The main drawback is that the grinder can be noticeably loud early in the morning. If you want specialty drinks at the touch of a button without playing janitor afterward, this is an incredibly practical. The Ninja Barista system is a fantastic hybrid for households divided over their daily coffee preferences. It perfectly solves the clutter problem of needing both an espresso maker and a standard brewer on the same counter. The biggest advantage is its built-in tamper and dual functionality, allowing you to pull a rich espresso shot or brew a smooth Americano from one central station. Picture crafting a quick morning latte for yourself, then immediately brewing a longer, milder cup for your partner. This is highly recommended for families with diverse tastes. On the other hand, it is not the best choice for someone seeking a highly compact device. When stacked against standard standalone drip brewers, the brewing versatility is a massive upgrade. The only limitation is that the built-in tamper still requires a consistently firm hand to ensure an even extraction. For anyone looking to consolidate their appliances without sacrificing authentic flavor, this unit is a brilliant compromise. But the next one surprised me even more. The Mattinata fully automatic stainless steel espresso machine brings modern luxury into a very accessible package. It is engineered to eliminate the tedious maintenance that usually comes with owning a high-end coffee maker. The absolute best feature is its self-cleaning cycle, which automatically flushes the internal lines, ensuring your coffee never tastes stale from old residue. Imagine enjoying your rich, dark roast espresso and then simply walking away, knowing the machine is taking care of itself. This is a spectacular option for people who value a pristine aesthetic and zero-fuss maintenance. It is not the right fit for the hands-on hobbyist who enjoys the manual ritual of pulling shots. Compared to plastic-bodied alternatives, the metal finish gives it a much more premium feel. The minor drawback is that the minimalist interface means learning the light indicators takes a couple of days. If you want a sleek, self-cleaning machine that looks absolutely fantastic, this easily. The Cuisinart EM550 fully automatic espresso maker offers a highly refined experience for lovers of longer coffee drinks. It perfectly solves the annoyance of manually watering down a good espresso just to get a decent Americano. The core benefit is its specialized brewing profile that seamlessly transitions from a concentrated espresso to a perfectly balanced, hot Americano without sacrificing the crema. Think of those lazy weekend mornings where you want a large, comforting mug of coffee to sip slowly, rather than a quick shot to wake up. This is beautifully suited for those who prefer volume and warmth. It is less ideal for someone looking solely for a dedicated cappuccino maker, as its true strength lies in black coffee extraction. Compared to basic single-serve machines, the depth of flavor here is remarkably superior. Its main limitation is a slightly slower heat-up time from a cold start. For a consistent, café-style Americano at home, this is a highly dependable. The Philips 2200 fully automatic machine proves that you do not need to empty your wallet to get a brilliant bean-to-cup experience. It tackles the barrier of entry for people who want fresh ground coffee but feel intimidated by complex espresso stations. Its strongest selling point is the pure simplicity of the sensor touch display, allowing you to customize your coffee strength and quantity with just 2 taps. Picture coming home exhausted, sliding your mug under the spout, and getting a perfectly extracted coffee without navigating a labyrinth of menus. This is the ultimate machine for anyone upgrading from pods. It is not for the experimental home barista who wants absolute control over water temperature and pressure profiling. When compared to more advanced models, it keeps things beautifully straightforward. The one downside is that the drip tray fills up rather quickly due to the automatic rinsing cycles. If you want true convenience and consistently great flavor without a steep learning curve, this is a stellar. We set out to ditch watered-down pods and bring real café quality into your kitchen without the hassle. For maximum versatility, the Ninja Luxe Café is unbeatable. The Philips models offer incredible touch-and-go simplicity, and the Cuisinart is an Americano lover's dream. Subscribe to the channel if you love honest gear reviews. If you already know which machine you want, the next question is how to choose the right coffee beans to avoid clogging your new built-in grinder. We cover that exact topic in another video.